Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got to do a quick unboxing or unbagging an item I picked up from Amazon. We also have that box over there we got to do videos on as well. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It is a 12 volt item for a vehicle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alrighty everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. If it's hard to hear me, I'm sorry guys, my throat hurts. This is just going to be a quick unbagging or unboxing, however you like to put it, of an item I picked up from Amazon. It should be a 12 volt plug item. Looking for a faster plug for charging, my phone and stuff like that. So, bag is empty. Item is right here. This is a brand called Cluvox. Power your life anytime. It's a rapid USB C port or car charger, Type C cable. It's a little bitty package. It's kind of nice. It's very primitive on packaging. Simple. Easy. We'll get it open. This is... it's actually nicely packaged too. These little kind of see-through bags are nice. It does show a little bit of care. So it's a little plug. It's actually a very nice little plug. The plugs are, these are Quick Charge 3.0. That's why the plugs are green. And it states on the plug, model Charlie 003, input DC 12 volt, 24 volt, 2.5 amp max, output DC 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 2 amp, 12 volt, 1.5 amp, output 2, DC 3.6 to 6.5 volt, 3 amp, 6.5 to 9 volt, 2 amp, and 9 to 12 volt, 1.5 amp. So this is actually a pretty fast charger. These are similar specs to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G that I have, which is a 512 gig model. It will usually run 9 volts, 2 amp, no problem. It's a smart device. Depending on the charge and everything, it will change how fast it can charge or not. It does have a little instruction booklet in here as well. It's just a little charger. I am going to grab an item real quick so we can test it. Pull out one of the Hulkman's jump starters, real snappy like. This one actually still has the cover on it. Alright. This plug right here, a little 12 volt plug. Just need to grab my phone too. Okay. Alright. Alright, so gonna just test it real quick with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This device can take up to 65 watts. I think it's actually a little bit more. I think it could take up to like 70 or something watts, but 65 watts will, 45 watts actually in this device, going into this device will actually make it charge at super fast charging 2.0, which is actually pretty rapid. It actually cuts down about 30 to 40 minutes on even from super fast charging. So let's plug this in, just test it out. Lights up blue. If I turn this one off, it lights up blue, which is nice. It's got a blue ring on the back, lights up blue in the front so you can see it. So what does it charge at? It's charging at fast charging, which is not very fast to be honest, but it's definitely faster than what I have in the truck, or at least the 2000 limited 4Runner that I just took some of the stuff that I had out of my SR5, which I've had in my SR5 for a while. The charger that I have is an 18 watt charger, which actually was pretty fast when I had like my Note 6 and my Note 8 was pretty fast. But this device, fast charging is, there's charging, there's fast charging, there's super fast charging, and then super fast charging 2.0. So what's in the truck is 18 watts. That only does charging. So at least this one says fast charging, which will at least be a little bit faster. I didn't just pick up this plug, I picked up some others, which is why that blue Paw Patrol movie box is over there. I'm not sure why Amazon sent some electronics in that box. But it's already at 96%. That's interesting. I've been carrying the other unit in my SR5 for the last several months, 5+ months. It was actually in the back seat on the floorboard when I got into the truck accident and I flipped the truck because I hit a guardrail and I had no other choice other than, you know, to slam into another person. It does show that it is pushing charge out. I haven't had to charge the other one. I've actually used it a couple, 1 or 2 times to charge a device, and I think I've used it to jump one vehicle. Had no issues with it whatsoever. This one I leave in the house just in case I need to, you know, throw it in a truck or whatever. And I have a protective case for the one that's actually in the SR5. I actually got into the truck accident, flipped the truck, and it actually, it bounced a couple times around the vehicle when the vehicle flipped. It landed back on the floor, or on the ground on one of the windows, the driver's side passenger rear window, or driver's side rear window, not passenger driver. And it's held up well. I put it, you know, it and its case in the new limited while I'm repairing the SR5, and I'm actually very happy with the Hulkman products. Been very impressed. It's at 95 already, so it is charging it pretty fast. It's at 81%. I think it was at like 74 or something when we started. So fast charging is definitely better than what's in the truck. It's a nice plug. I do like that it's lit up and you can see it. That's a plus. The new limited 4Runner, 2000 4Runner, it does have some problems, like there is no lights there's like 2 lights for the available left in the climate control, and they're all on the passenger side, so you can't see what mode it's in, which the climate control works. And I don't plan on using the climate control, let alone the AC, because I always drive with the windows down. It's just how I am. waste gas, and I don't see the point in wasting gas when I have things to do, especially if I can get air in other ways, like leaving the windows down. But there is no lights on the shifter, which the park, neutral, reverse, low gear, second gear, there's no lights on the shifter. Now the dash and the tachometer does show what gear you're in, which is a plus. All the lights on the tachometer work. Every light works, other than the factory Toyota stereo has no lights. The lights are all dead, so you can't really see the stereo at all when you're driving at night. Which is fine, because I plan on changing it out with a Pioneer AVIC 8200 NEX. I got all the stuff that I need to wire it in. Just one of those things that I have to want to try to wire it in. And since the truck accident, I just haven't really been feeling well. My back and neck still extremely hurt. I'm waiting to find out if the police ever find the guy, so I can sue the dude for at least the damages to my truck. So that's just another story. But this Hulkman jumper pack, this one's been in the house since I got it. The other one's been in 2 different vehicles. It's jumped a V10, no problems. It's jumped a couple V8 diesels. But my personal vehicles, it's only jumped one vehicle personally. But it's done a lot of actual service work. I've used it on service calls quite a bit. Works well. The phone is at 84%, just in the few minutes we've been talking, from the 81 that I last checked. So it does charge a lot faster than what's in the truck. This plug is supposed to be putting out 36 something watts. The plug that's in the truck is 18 watts, so it's definitely a plus. And I really don't care if it comes from some random company, as long as it works. Daily online service, we guarantee to handle your problem within 24 hours. Welcome to contact us and email help@cluvoxpower.com, online at http://www.cluvoxpower.com. It is made in China. Most electronics are. It's a nice little video, or a nice little product. I do like that it lights up. I like that it has a lit up ring. So the outside ring lights up, inside the USB ports light up, and the back of the unit lights up. And to me, it's a plus. It's definitely charging. The phone's now at 85. It's definitely charging well, because this is dropping pretty rapidly. This charger does put out like 100 watts, if I remember correctly. So you can actually charge a laptop with this. And this is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is a smart device. So it will take the most realistic charge that it can based off of what's charging it. So if the device can provide 65 watts, it will request that, which is usually the 9 volt, 2 amp range. If the device cannot put anything out other than like 25 watts, it will then request it based off of 18 or 20 watt charging in. It's now at 86, so it's rapidly charging quickly. Every minute or so, it's already reached another bar, or another 1%. So, or a 16th or a 90th of a percent, but and don't mind me with the 16th, 90th percent. It's really early in the morning. It is 5:27 in the morning on a Saturday. I just want to get these videos done for you guys, provide some information. Look, I will post a link for this if you guys want to check it out. It seems it's at 87 now. It's charging pretty fast. I was hoping it would be at a minimum of like super fast charging instead of super fast charging 2.0, but super fast charging would be like 30 minutes complete charge from dead, and it's not. It's fast charging. It to me, it was worth the $14. It's definitely faster than what's in the vehicle. And if I like it, I can always purchase another one just like this. No big deal. But that's all I got for you guys today. This is at 93%. At least it's come in handy for, you know, showing this off. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will definitely provide a link for this. It's at 88%, and I didn't mean this, but this right here. I can always post this if you guys want to check it out. It is a good jumper pack. I'm waiting for Hulkman to come out with the 10.0. So I can do some videos on that for you guys. I do appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Want to say thank you to everybody that likes, comments, subscribes. Everybody that has subscribed, even non-subscribers, people that just stop by and watch videos, people that watch the ads every once in a while on the channel, as well as people that, men and women. I want to thank you all. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized. I did not purchase this with channel money. I will always let you know. Always let you know if I purchase something with channel money. It's almost at 89%. That's at 92%. Oh, it looks like it says it's at 26%. No. It's at 92%. I'm looking at it wrong. It's upside down. This one's at 89%. You guys are all the reason that the channel's monetized. Just want to say thank you. Everybody that has showed support throughout after the truck accident, I much appreciate it as well. Anybody that's ever given a super chat, anybody that's ever sent money over PayPal to help the channel, anybody that's ever used the Patreon account or has become a member. The members page on YouTube is no different than Patreon. It's just integrated into YouTube. I want to say thank you to the members, which is Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut, and Blake's Automotive and Restoration, or Restoration and Automotive. I don't remember which direction it's flipped. But thank you, all of you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Hopefully my voice will feel better in a couple days. But I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. It's at 89% now. You guys be safe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!